Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate you guys taking time and tuning to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I decided that maybe it's about time I share with you guys on my TV setup. But in today's video, we're only going to focus on the TV itself, the type of the TV that I'm using, and basically the features around it and why I actually chose this kind of a TV. So I think this is just going to be beginning of another series that we're going to embark into in just a month or so to come, and then we'll look at everything else that's around the TV and how the whole setup is, what's around my entertainment unit and so forth. So but today the focus is only and mainly on the TV, because yeah, I've been doing a lot of media consumption, because yes, I've been on lockdown for some time, so working from home, doing everything from home. So the type of a TV that I'm using, I've been using this TV for a year and 2 months now. So I bought it last year June. This is a 2018 model. So I'm gonna show you the TV that I have. So as you can see, that's the TV that I'm currently using. So okay, I'm just gonna switch off what's playing at the moment so that you guys don't get distracted. Okay, let's jump into it. So this TV of mine is a Samsung 65-inch UHD 4K TV. It's a UHD, it's not a QLED, what most of the people actually look into when they actually buy TV. So mine is not a QLED, it's just a normal UHD, and the good part is it's 4K. At the moment, the TV is not sitting on, it's not mounted, it's sitting on the entertainment stand or entertainment unit or a TV stand. And yes, I did check that this stand, it's good enough to support the TV. And probably you might be asking, what actually is it that you look at when you actually buy a TV stand? Yes, this TV on its own, it weighs about 25 kilograms. So if your stand is not good enough to support that kind of a weight, you might run into problems. Problems such as you might not be able to open the doors of your entertainment unit, or you might actually not be able to move anything around, or it might actually break or actually fall from the stand if the stand is not strong enough to support and hold the TV. So anyway, enough about the stand. This video is about the TV. So the reason why I got the TV, it was because the reason why I got this TV is because I wanted to get rid of the cables. Number one, I had a lot of cables that were sitting on my entertainment unit, which it actually looks so messy and untidy, which even now it's not 100%, but I'm glad that at this moment as I'm talking to you, there's actually nothing connected to the TV. So basically the idea was to get everything in a form of an app, because this is a smart TV. So everything should be installed on the TV itself, and then we should be able to run it from there without having to get any third party or external hardware or appliance connected to the TV. So everything has to be run on the TV itself, and then the only thing that's missing is actually the soundbar. So we're still looking into getting the soundbar for the sound, but however the TV itself on the sound, it still sounds great. I managed to get rid of everything that was connected to the TV, literally everything. The only thing that's connected to the TV now is the light. There are lights, it's a strip light that's connected behind the TV. Actually use this remote. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so this is the remote to control the lights at the back. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but let's see if you can change color. Yeah, now it's on green. Don't know if you can see the green, and then red, and then we can put it on flash. Then it will keep on changing the colors, as you can see. I know I'm under low light conditions at the moment, but basically that's how it is. So that's the only thing that's connected to the TV, and it's connected through a USB port, which is at the back of the TV. Basically, that's the only thing that's connected to the TV. So the rest entertainment that I watch on this TV, basically they're all in form of app. So let's jump into it and look at the apps that are running on this thing. So I managed to pin few of those apps right here. There are more than this, so but these one are the ones that I mainly use, and these are the ones that I've subscribed to. So starting with the first one, which is YouTube. Basically I watch YouTube videos almost every day. It doesn't have to be only on my TV, but I'm actually watching YouTube like throughout. So on my TV, on my phones, on my laptop, on my tablets, everywhere there's actually YouTube on that. And I'm on a premium subscription, so I get to watch things like YouTube original content, which is, I don't know, it's not that much, but I think it's great to have that subscription, as well as YouTube Music. I got the YouTube app on the phone, so I get to stream music, and I get to hide things on the YouTube while I'm actually playing on my phone. I can actually use my phone while YouTube videos are playing on the background. So yeah, it's YouTube, and I get to watch 4K content, which is great. So yeah, that's it with the YouTube. And then I actually pinned it there. I can actually move this app. If I do this, it will ask me if I want to remove it or I want to move it. YouTube is my first preference, should be there. Then the next application that I have in there is a Netflix app. I have a Netflix subscription. So this is a Netflix premium South African account. So everybody who's in South African and premium account, I guess we are watching almost one and the same thing. So I don't know who was watching cartoons using my account, but I can see there. And then this, it will show you what's trending now. The Netflix application is recently just got updated. So basically it is a new look and feel. If I can show you, it was not like this. So these are actually the accounts that I was talking about. So clicking on my account, and then when you actually browse down to the movies, you get to see the preview and then the information on the side, as opposed to in the previous one, it will actually look like this. Then you will see the movie playing like that. And then on each and every one of them, you're gonna have to do that. But now it's great. You just get to see on that small glimpse of a screen what the movie is all about, or the series is all about. And then you can scroll to the left or the right to actually choose whatever you wanna watch. And then you can go down. I like how, so you can just scroll around to actually see what you are looking for. So that glimpse, I think is big enough for you to see and decide if it's something that you wanna watch. And then that's pretty much it about Netflix. And then going back into the okay, let me use the home button. So going back to my dock, so the next thing is Apple TV. In this case, I've subscribed to Apple TV Plus, and I got my subscription in there. So Apple TV in South Africa, it's about 84 rand a month, which is like $4.99, yeah, somewhere around there. Basically that's it. So Apple TV, there is actually nothing much that's going on Apple TV. They have their own original content that you haven't seen anywhere else, and then the rest of the items you have to either rent or buy them. For example, I've been watching almost all of these things I've watched, so there isn't much. I think all these ones which are here is everything that's on Apple TV Plus, and then the rest of the items, if I can go down and show you, for example, I think I saw My Spy. Oh, nice buy. So I thought this is a Apple TV Plus, but look at the price there. You're gonna have to rent or buy this one if you wanna keep it. So the good part is you can keep it on the app, but basically on the Apple TV, I actually liked all of the series that they played except the one that looks like it's called what, Trying. I don't like Trying. I didn't watch it, but most of these ones up here I've watched it. Defending Jacob, I've watched The Banker is a movie, and the seven is the one which I don't like. For Only Mankind I watched, Oprah's Book Club I watched, C I watched, and then Home I watched, Best of Boys I watched, Trying, yeah, this is the one that I don't like, and then the rest of the items I actually watched. So the next thing is Spotify. So Spotify, it's a music streaming app. You can use it for music as well as podcast. The good thing about it is just for you to arrange your playlist, your favorite songs. You can actually download them, but on the TV app you can't actually download anything. So you can actually just stream. But however, everything that you have downloaded and arranged on your phone, you can actually get it replicated here. As you can see, I've got my DK playlist there. This is my praise, and then this is my locals, and then this is the ones that randomly it suggests to you, and then some of the things that I've listened to in the past week or so. Then Spotify can arrange for you based on the things that you've been listening to. Then the next item there is Facebook Watch. This used to be called Facebook Live. This is only for the live videos that are being streamed on Facebook. Just connect this with your Facebook account. You can't actually chat or do anything, so you can only watch the videos. You can watch videos in form of live streams or previously uploaded videos, and this will be of the things that are either suggested to you or things that you have subscribed, or the groups or the pages that you are following. So this one actually use it for church stream and also other videos that are following on YouTube. And then the last thing that I have in here, it's DSTV Now. So instead of me having a decoder here, I've just decided to install the DSTV Now app, and then I get to access DSTV using the app. I don't know, there's nothing much that I like from DSTV, but just in case you are my guest, you won't be bored if there's anything that you want to watch on DSTV. So I've got that DSTV connected in there. So the TV itself has in other apps which are hidden, because it's a smart TV. Of course, you're gonna finding things like a browser. So maybe before I open that, I should have shown you the other apps. So basically this is like an app store where you can actually download or add additional apps that you like. Unfortunately, it has to be the apps that Samsung is providing. I don't know which OS is this, but this is what they're providing, and most of these things are really not interesting. The ones that I liked is things like the ones that I said downloaded app. So Apple TV, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, DSTV, Facebook, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. I don't have the subscription anymore, that's why it's not on my dock. And then there's a gallery, and then there's Google Play, which gives you music and TV. It's a subscription, which I'm not subscribed to. Then Spotify, Showmax, I don't have Showmax. Deezer, I don't have Deezer. And then Filmbox, I don't use this. Then Bloomberg is just for news and reports, news updates. I watch it sometimes. This is like a posh channel. Red Bull, yeah, for the Red Bull events. And then this is security. This, if I want to use an internet browser, and then the TV itself comes in with the internet browser that I can use. And then the last thing is a manual. My TV ends up down here. Actually, this is what I actually use on my TV. There's actually nothing else beyond this. Everything is on YouTube. If it's not on YouTube, I'll find it on Netflix, and then or an Apple TV Plus. And then the TV itself is connected to the internet or wirelessly. So basically, that actually renders the TV a little bit useless, because if there's no internet, I cannot actually do anything at all, unless if I plug in a USB with some movie that I download, which I don't have any downloaded movies. Depend on everything which is online. It's a challenge if there's no power, and it's a challenge if there's no internet, because there's not any antenna or aerial connected to the TV, so I can't use analog TV. I can't, it's not even set. So it's kind of like a downside, but I'm okay with that. That's how I actually choose to watch the TV. So the other thing is, at the back of the TV, though those ports I know for now will think like they're useless because there's nothing connected. It has 3 HDMI ports, and then 2 USB ports, and then 1 Ethernet port, and then it still supports the RCA in terms of a 3.5 milli jack if you want to convert to the old DVD player. So yeah, but that's not going to be used in here. So I think we are just reserving 1 HDMI port for the soundbar when it comes, and then I think we will do an update when that actually arrives, and then we look at the rest of the items that actually complement the setup around the TV. So this supports AirPlay, so basically I can actually mirror my phone into the TV as long as they are both connected into the same network. So for example, if I can do this, now I'm holding my phone, and then I'm gonna ask the TV, yes, so that's my phone, they're connected. So then I can actually go through my phone and see what's in there. If I want to play a video right there, I can actually do that. Go to YouTube, and then let's see what's in here. So what I actually like about this AirPlay, the thing is, when you mirror anything from your phone, it actually goes in with the sound. So I've actually muted the sound on the TV so that it doesn't have to interrupt our video. However, the sound is actually being played from the TV. So if I can make you hear a little bit there.
At the tip of your tongue, it's just out of reach. When I first started using Elevate,
that's the sound from the thing. However, the control and everything is just still within my palm, and then you can actually get to control and then jump from one item to the other wirelessly. So you can do the same with the MacBook. I'm gonna do another separate video for that, how I actually connect my MacBook to the TV wirelessly, and then I can use that as an external monitor or a display. It's actually nicer when you are in a meeting. Don't say I didn't tell you, but it's actually very, very nice. So that has been it, guys. That was just a quick look at how my TV setup is looking at the moment, and how I actually get to manage to run everything from the TV itself in a form of an app. So that was actually my way, because I actually had messy cables around. So I tried by all means to get everything neat and tight, and then the cable don't have to trip anything. So I don't have any cables that are rolling on the floor or anything, because the TV itself is wirelessly connected to the internet, and then the only cable that's connected to the TV is the power cable, which actually runs behind the TV on the leg of the TV all the way to the wall, which is actually neatly done. So that's it. I think we will look deeper into it, because like I said, I didn't want to show anything else around that. So I'll show you how the actually lights are connected. There are 2 lights that are connected to the TV, and then there's also other accessories that are around the TV itself, and then I'll actually give you the full view of the whole setup, showing the entertainment system and all other things that are surrounding the setup. So that has been it on this video, guys, and I'll see you on my next one.